Quarantine cooking episode 4, and today we're making something Dutch. Boerenkool. Let's go.
Oh God, it's so good. So good.
So what we need to make boerenkool is potatoes, boerenkool, a sausage, and the final one, bacon. So first we need to peel the potatoes. The boerenkool is already frozen and ready to cook, so the only thing we need to do is peel the potatoes. And because someone suggested in the comments that I need to use a potato peeler, I bought one and I'm gonna use that for the first time today. Let's go. So now we get this big pot, put the potatoes in, first cut them up, and then put the potatoes in. And then we're gonna fill up the pan with water, like so. First we clean it a bit too. And then we put the pan on the stove, put it on highest, we put the lid on. There. So now the potatoes are on the stove. We need to wait for a bit because the boerenkool is already ready to cook, so we only have to put it in. So now it's time to put the bacon in. And I got this pan, and there's gonna be bacon in there. First we need some olive oil, put it in. Okay, so we put that in, and then we put the bacon in, and then we bake it. Yeah. So now the bacon and the potatoes are on the stove. And now we put the boerenkool in too. And we can also put in the sausage as well. So we're gonna do that now. So everything is in the pan right now, except for the sausage. We're gonna wait a little bit for it to get ready, and then we put the sausage in as well. So while everything is cooking right now and baking, we're gonna set the table. Normally we eat with 4 persons, but today we only eat with 2 because my mom and dad are on vacation. So. So now everything is almost done, and we put the sausage in. And then let it sit for a bit until everything is fully done, and then we can eat. So now we take off the wrapper and then put it on the plate and then put it on the table because everything else is done too. So now the potatoes are done, and we're gonna put the water out of the pan because there's still water inside. So we're gonna do that right now. So now all the water is out, well, most of it is out. And now, because we're Dutch, we're gonna get a stomper and mush everything together. So everything is even, nice and even right now. And then we put in the bacon, like so. Yep. And then everything is done. We put it on the table. And now everything is on the table and we're ready to eat. We can yell to our family, dinner is ready. But in Dutch, it's not dinner is ready. It is aan tafel! Like that. And then you can eat. Let's eat. It smells so good. So what we need for blah 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 blah. So first we need to peel the blah and put the lid on. Okay, that's way harder. And put the lid on. And put the lid on.
Side to side.